Take 100.
The French are glad to die for love.
A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flats or help you feed your pussycat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and we all lose our charms in the end. But square cut or pear shape, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Tiffany! Cartier! Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Come and get me, boys. Black Star, Roscoe, talk to me, Harry Sidler, tell me all about it. There may come a time when a lass needs a lawyer,
But diamonds are a girl's best friend.
there may come a time when a hard-boiled employer thinks you're but get that ice or else no dice.
He's your guy when stocks are high, but beware when they start to say.
100.
Do it again real quick.
Huh?
Do it again.
Okay.
Go.
Take 100.
Okay, good.